Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a day in the life of my pet lovebird Nacho. So Nacho's day normally begins by waking me up very early and I remove her night cover. So it's now time to clean out her cage. I normally do this every 2 to 3 days. As you can tell, it really doesn't take long to get gross. As you can see, Nacho loves to be helpful and nibble my fingers when I'm changing around her furniture. Nacho's let out to fly every day, but she's normally quite lazy and just waddles around. Nacho really enjoys bath time, and before putting her back into her cage, I like to make sure that she's dry, and I also give her a little bit of fuss. I hope you enjoyed today's video. No 2 days are the same with keeping a pet lovebird, they're great fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.